Here we are at lesson number 3 in Computer Science Discoveries Unit 2, and we are at level number 5. So we've done paragraphs, we've done headings, now you're into lists. So let's see what the directions say here. 2 types of list, ordered and unordered. So the unordered are the bullet points, and here's what it looks like, okay? You need a UL tag, meaning unordered list, to start, and then a closing unordered tag at the end. So take a look here before we dive into what the instructions are. You turn on the unordered list and you turn it off, okay? In between there, every item that you want to have a bullet point will get the LI and a closing LI tag around it. So it's kind of like a double process. You say what kind of list wants at the top, close it at the bottom, and everything you want to be included in your list gets the LI and the closing LI. Now, you could certainly add something in here, and it won't get bulleted unless you have these LI tags around it. So for example, watch for a second here. If under cereal, I just happened to type in orange juice, and I didn't put those LI tags around it, see what happens? It doesn't get the bullet point. So that's why that's critical. Okay, I'm going to get that out of there so that we are not confused. Now, it says, look at how they are used to create a list. Use the unordered list and list tags to create your own dessert list. Aha! So they have this heading, and it's an H2 heading. I'm going to use my inspector tool. Okay, for desserts right here. Okay, and right underneath it, you're going to add another unordered list with your favorite desserts. All right, so here we go. Everybody's is going to look the same at the beginning, a UL, and then if you want to, leave a few spaces and then put the /UL for the closing. Once I've done that, notice my code isn't pink anymore. Now, I'm going to do something to save some typing time here, okay? LI stands for put the start of my bulleted item, and then at the end, I have to do a closing one. Oops, here I'm not even thinking. LI, okay? So in between here, whatever I type will get the bullet point. Now, they had 3 items in their list for breakfast, so we'll put 3 things in our dessert list. Well, what's your favorite? For me, man, French silk pie, for sure. That's for me. What else do I like? Ooh, there's just nothing like a really good chocolate chip cookie, you know? And then, gosh, I might have to say something like cheesecake. Okay? Notice I left a bunch of spaces before here and so on, but because I'm inside these list tags, it doesn't matter. It's going to line things up as though it were indented like that, okay? The key components, unordered list, closing unordered list, and then everything in between gets a list tag. Excellent. Let's move on to level 6.